अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। डियर व्यूअर्स, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को पार्टिसिपल और उसके 3 टाइप्स भी पढ़ाने वाला हूँ, बहुत ही ईजीएस्ट वे में। तो आइए सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि पार्टिसिपल है क्या। ये हर एग्जाम्स में पूछा जाता है, चाहे आप कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स हैं या स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं या फिर आप किसी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में बैठ रहे हैं। तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ही नेसेसरी है टू अंडरस्टैंड पार्टिसिपल एंड इट्स वेरियस टाइप्स सो दैट यू कैन इंप्रूव योर राइटिंग स्किल्स एज वेल। डियर व्यूअर्स, पार्टिसिपल वर्ब से ही डिराइव किया हुआ एक फॉर्म होता है जिसको हम एज अ परफेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और हम इसको आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। मतलब परफेक्ट टेंसेज में और प्रोग्रेसिव टेंसेज में हम लोग जो वर्ब फॉर्म्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो भी पार्टिसिपल्स ही होते हैं। सिमिलरली participles function as an adjective as well. All the ing forms of the verbs that are functioning as a verb in the progressive tenses, they are participles. What participles? Present participles. And if the same ing forms of the verbs are functioning as an adjective in the sentences, they are also present participles. So what is present participle? Ing forms of the verbs functioning either as a verb in the sentence or as an adjective in the sentence. That is what present participle. Past participle, second type. All the third forms of the verbs that we call perfect forms of the verbs. If they are used as a verb in the sentence, like in perfect tenses, or they are used as adjectives in the sentences, they are also known as participles. But which participles? Past participles. Third category that we are having, that is perfect participle. Dear viewers, perfect participle is a participle that tells two actions. One that is followed by another action in the past. For instance, perfect participle की identification क्या है हमारे पास? Perfect participle starts with a participle phrase, like it starts with the word having. Having completed this task, I started watching movie. So all the perfect types of participles, they start with having, that is present participle, and then it has a past participle, mean third form of the verb, and then there can be any object as well. That will be a phrase that we can also consider as a participle phrase, and that sentence will be an action that will be following this phrasal action. Like for instance, having recorded this video, I went to my room. So dears, this is the example of perfect participle. So now let's talk about every single type with examples. First of all, we are having present participle. All the ing forms of the verbs functioning as a verb. For instance, I say, I am teaching English. Here, the word teaching is an ing form of the verb and functioning as a verb in the progressive, simple progressive tense. That is present participle. If I say, for instance, I am talking in English. Again, the word talking is functioning as a verb and it is also present participle. But if I use ing form of the verb as an adjective in the sentence, that will also be present participle. For instance, I say, I bought a talking parrot. Parrot is a noun and talking is telling the quality of a noun parrot. Which type of parrot? Talking parrot. The parrot that talks, that has the ability to speak. So mean here the word ing form of verb talking is modifying a noun parrot. That's why it is functioning as an adjective. तो हम कहेंगे कि ये एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे काम कर रहा है, तो ये आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब जो कि एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे काम कर रहा है इज नोन एज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. डिस्टर्बिंग स्टूडेंट. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल इन द प्लेस ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट. Disturbing students were kicked out from class. Disturbing is an ing form of the verb and telling us about the noun students. What type of students? Disturbing students. So here disturbing is functioning as a present participle. So hopefully this is clear to all of you. Now let's talk about past participle. All the perfect forms of the verbs functioning either as a verb or as an adjective. Like for instance, I have broken a window. They have frustrated the student. The teacher has frustrated the students. So now dear viewers, frustrated or broken, both of them are functioning as a verb in these sentences. So this is what we can consider as past participle, but they can be used. But when we are using third forms of the verbs as an adjective, how, like for instance, I have a broken glass. I have a broken glass. What type of glass? The glass that is broken, that is shattered. तो यहाँ पे broken थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब तो है, लेकिन ये एज एन एडजेक्टिव इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. ग्लास की कंडीशन या क्वालिटी बता रहा है कि एक टूटा हुआ ग्लास. Similarly, if I say I bought rotten eggs, मैंने ऐसे अंडे लाए जो कि गले सड़े हुए थे या खराब थे. So dear viewers, here the word rotten is the third form of the verb rot. That's functioning as an adjective in this sentence. We would consider it as past participle. Similarly, we can use them as in the place of subject as well. Broken chair, tortured mind. Now see, tortured mind, mind is a noun. Broken chair, chair is a noun. What type of chair? Broken chair. Damaged computer, damaged is telling us the quality of a computer, that it is damaged. So dear viewers, all of these third forms of the verbs are functioning as an adjective known as past participle. Now let's talk about perfect participle. So dear viewers, perfect participle में हम दो एक्शंस को डिस्कस करते हैं. एक एक्शन जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, दूसरा उसके बाद स्टार्ट हुआ पास्ट में. फॉर इंस्टेंस, if I say having lectured you, I stopped talking, mean after lecturing you I stopped talking. So dear viewers, these were the examples of perfect participle. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये तमाम चीज़ें समझ आ गई. मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में किसी और ग्रामेटिकल टॉपिक के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.